Hey guys, it's me Monique here in Jamaica during the whole pandemic thing. Trying to take it one day at a time, although it's rough. Uh, but yesterday me da watch one freestyle with Chelsea and the girl baddest man. Boy, she look as if she a go out past Nikki, me not tell a lie. But me still rate Jada Kingdom wholly though, cause she a my artist. Cause she look on every side of me too, so. I have to go with my team still, but I rate them man, I rate her. Jenny and you go on with things, I not tell no lie. You're bad man. Why? But they are still a tough out the whole pandemic thing. Things rough though, but I keep the faith and I try hold on still. But anyways, I'm here. Just have to try and keep safe and do all our protocols when needed to be done because I have asthma and it's hard when you have asthma because it's like a respiratory illness and it really tough when I wear the mask though. At first it was, but when you're used to do certain things it kind of become a norm to you, so it's not that bad anymore because usually when I just started wearing the mask, um it was kind of difficult to breathe. I had a breathing issue with it. Um, yeah, cause if I walk for a very short distance, it's coming like I was out of breath, like my lungs was dry. Every ear suck out of my lungs. That's how I felt. But after a while, I get used to it and it don't affect me anymore. Thank God, because I don't know how I would manage, honestly. The hardest part is to get my son to use the mask and wear it properly because he's a 6-year-old kid and it's difficult, very difficult. I have to try and get it into his brain that you can't take off the mask, you can't switch masks with friends, you can't share food like usual with your friends, you can't do certain things at his age. And it's difficult because those kids need to have fun. Yeah, they're still small. They can't, but this thing just force them to act like adults basically because they have to follow rules and kids don't like follow rules. That's the problem. So it's very hard to instill such things in them already. And they mostly like to be around each other and stuff like that. So it's difficult. Well, don't know what to say, honestly. But basically, what I see, this whole thing just look like a conspiracy to me. That's what I think. Because nobody knows who started this or where this thing come from. It just come out of the blue without any warning and just hit everywhere. Why? Spoil up everything for people because me now work for a couple months now due to the whole pandemic thing. I haven't been working, so it's kind of difficult, but you have to try and make compromise, find a different way to survive. Yeah, 'cause I usually do some little creative things online and then I sell them, but not working out now because due to the whole virus thing, things kind of moving slow. So I have to put a hold on that now. So I decided to try my YouTube channel, which I just started, but I'm keeping the faith. I hope you guys give me the opportunity to show the potential that I have in me. So I hope you guys please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Anyways, uh, Saturday gone was my birthday. Yeah, I'm getting old, 27 to be exact, but I'm glad because I'm getting more and more mature and I get to learn certain things in life. I'm more experienced. Don't make the same mistake twice. So I'm glad that I'm still alive, because there's much people around due to this thing going around. Even kids, even kids not around anymore, cause why? It rough, me I tell you. Rough, rough, rough. You just have to pray and keep the faith, and everything will be okay. Yeah, that's basically it. Cause this life, everybody, it's in fear. You're living in fear because you don't know where, when, or how, or what will happen due to this pandemic. So we just have to keep safe. Try and instill the rules and protocols in your children, most importantly, because they are the future and you have to protect them at all costs. But it's rough though, it's really rough. So you have to just try hard as you can and do certain things that you need and you must do. Don't act like some people like they're idiots or stuff like that, trying to say like, boy, me not wear no mask here because the mask is important to wear and this, that. You can't say that. Or if you say something like that, how you'd feel if you get it and you can't go give your family member, especially your mother, your grandmother, or anybody at all? How you would feel about that? You attack, you not care. You can't catch it. No go so. No virus, no go around. Really? Like, really? You guys, you need to come up, man. Jamaicans need to be more responsible, especially the men. They are very in denial, especially the country one them, cause them talk all type of things. But this can do me, that can do me, and when it reach them like, why if me that this is to them did I say, no, this will happen to me, now this will reach me, Me say really, but really I feel laugh still, but that's how life is. There's some in denial, some people who knows what to do, and some confused. Well, in this time, you have to keep your head well screwed on, if you know what I mean, because it's very, very, very difficult. Very difficult, I'm telling you. But as usual, just have to try and stay safe, be safe, because it's very terrifying the things going on right now. People should try and stick together and live good together and try fight people, tear down people and do stuff like that. That's why other countries survive. You have to stick together, you can't tear each other down. I don't see the point in that. But anyways, I just have to keep focus and stay safe. So I plan to just relax today, sit down as usual until something good comes along the way. That's all. So, but I'm trying my best still. I want to go and look for my grandmother because she did a surgery the other day on her foot, and she had poor circulation. So they had to like clean up her veins. Yeah, clear it up. That's the blood get to flow more freely so that she can walk. Cause her foot usually swell and so and she couldn't stand up on there long. So that's what we needed to do. So they decided for the best thing for her to do was to do that. But she's going on well now. She's walking and everything. Thank God. So that's good. That's very good news. Yeah. Well, that's all for my birthday Saturday. I had a good time. My mom bought me a slice of cake and I got some jewelry and other stuff as well that I'm very glad for. And I enjoyed it too. Yeah, Sunday gone, we went out way up at Red Hills to visit my uncle. They had a party, and not really a big party, just family and everybody follow the protocol. They wear the mask and everything and take precaution. So nothing to worry about. So we enjoyed it. I went up there when I was smaller, but I went there Sunday and it was a good experience. Very nice place, and we get to acquaint ourselves with our family that we haven't seen for a good while. So that was good. It felt good. So I enjoyed myself very much. Very, very much. So it was good, very good. And I hope tomorrow will be a little better than today still, because everything you can't go move around as frequent as usual, but thank God that we are still alive, everyone is okay. So anybody feel free, leave a comment in their post, let me know what you think about my video, tell me what I need to do, and any advice at all you want to leave, please leave. So by God's will, I will see you next time on my channel. So bye, please like and subscribe. Okay, next time.